All right, guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing slash review on my Tryone tablet holder for your vehicle. It's actually this right here. I'm about to put it all together, but so it's like about 2 parts. It's got the instruction manual on there, and let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, really nice for your tablets. This can be great for if you have like kids, or maybe you're going out and you just want to have be able to watch your iPad in the back if you do like a rest stop or anything like that. And then this is the actual device in which it'll move the arm. That's really cool. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up. Can't imagine it that hard. Snap that in. Turn that on. All right. And then separate these. And then we'll go ahead and latch these two onto the headrest and we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and try it out. All right, guys, the installation took me less than 20 seconds. It literally will just latch on right here, and you could even go one more. So that's super convenient. I went ahead and put the iPad on there. What's super cool is like you can literally bring it out this way. You can even face it forward if you like. Now bring it back out. The other cool part is, check this out. If you want to use it this way, you definitely can. All right, it's very neat. Like I said, it lets you watch anything that you want to watch. So I thought that was super cool. We'll go ahead and like turn it this way. We want to watch YouTube. So super convenient. Pause that real quick. So if you're looking for an awesome tablet holder for your vehicle, I highly recommend this one. As you can see, very sturdy. Definitely a 10 out of 10.